Now they are giving productions like this, and they are asking us to derive whether the given productions are ambiguous or not. So for this, what is the main rule? If this grammar is able to derive for a particular string called B A B, let us suppose that this is my string. I am considering this string. So for this particular string, I am able to derive more than one parts tree or derivation tree. So I am able to derive more than one derivation tree. I can say that this grammar is ambiguous. So now this is my string BAB and BAB. Let's start from the start symbol. Hence here in this case S is my start symbol. From S I need to derive A. Now what is my initial character? Initial character is B. So this B can be, if I wanted to replace this particular non-terminal A, I should use a production called BA so that it will be matched with the given string, right? Hence I am replacing A with small b capital A, and again if this A is also replaced with small b capital A. Now after B, what is my string? I should get AB, BAB, right? So if I replace this A with AB capital A, small b, again this A will be replaced with a small a. Hence BAB. BAB, we got it. First three letters we got it, and the fourth character is B, hence we got it, right? And what is the next two characters? I should get A and B. So initially I should get A. If I should get small a here, so I should replace this non-terminal A with the AB, so that what will happen, in place of this A I can replace small a, hence the string becomes BA B B A B, right? So this is one derivation tree. See, let us try to construct one more derivation tree for the same string. So yes, S is my start symbol. I should start from S, where S is deriving only one production, which is AA here, and from AA I should derive BAB only, right? But in this case what I am trying to do, so here what we have done, A is deriving BA. So yes, initial character is B, I should take only this production as consideration, B capital A. Now, so first character I read, right? And what is next character I should get? I should get A. So instead of replacing AB here, what I am doing, I am replacing this A with the production called A, so that this character is matching the second character of my string, hence this becomes like this. Now I left with only one non-terminal, which is A. I already completed two characters, and what is third character? I should get B. So whenever I should get B, this A should be replaced with BA, small b and capital B. Okay, third character is also completed. What is the fourth character? Fourth character is also B, right? So what is ultimate solution to replace this particular A non-terminal? This A has to be replaced with BA, B capital A, and fourth character is also completed. And what is the next character I should get? Small a. So if I wanted to get small a here, so I should replace, in place of A, I should replace capital A small b. Hence what will happen, in place of capital A, I am replacing a production called A tends to small a. Hence the string is becoming from left to right BAB and BAB. Hence for a given string on a given grammar, you are trying to derive more than one derivation tree or parts tree. Hence you can say that this grammar is ambiguous.